Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your Fortnite or basically your Epic Games password. It's pretty simple. Now since you need to log in into your Epic Games account to play Fortnite, you need to change the password of your Epic Games account in order to change the password of your Fortnite account since both of them are linked. To change the password of Epic Games account, just search for Epic Games account on your browser and click on epicgames.com. It'll take you to the official website of Epic Games. From over here, you want to click on the person looking icon at the top right and choose account. Once you click on account, it'll take you to the account setting page. But if you have not logged in into your account, it is going to ask you to log in into your account first. After you log in into your account and come to this page, click on password and security. Over here, enter the current password you have of your account and then enter the new password which you want for your account. And then enter the password again to confirm the new password change. Click on save changes and basically your Epic Games password will change. Once Epic Games password changes, basically your Fortnite password will also change. So that is how you guys can change your Epic or your Fortnite's password. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.